Lomi singi senthok double oinaba production khaktana yade processing amadi value addition gi mathau tari haina Central Agricultural University Imphal gi Directorate of Research ki Director Dr. L.M. Garnayak na phongdokrai Wafamasi MTTC and VTC College of Agriculture na senduna numit nipani chumna jatharakpa Advanced Agri Entrepreneurship Program lotion bagi thoramda phongdokibani ICAR National Institute of Biotic Stress Management Raipur gi sponsorship makha da pangdokkiba thoramadada Dr. Garnayakna makha daraduna thaba ama tawada naitom oina tawbabudi group semlaga tawminabana hena kanagani group ama semlaganda bargaining power hengalakani masuna forward linkage backward linkage amadi sideways linkage ki kuthangda 360-degree approach da hena kanaba pibagi mathakta mamal amadi kaithel gi matangda hena khudong changani haina phongdokhi thoramadu da Manipur gi district ani gi self help group nipan dagi lagpa lomi kuntaret na saruk yakhi thoram gi sarugama oina lomi sing da input amadi certificate sing su yanthokhi
we have to increase double the income of the farmers. We are producing no problem, but pocket में कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, हमारा को ज़्यादा आ रहा है. So for doubling farmers' income, actually production is not sufficient. Next step we have to further, that is one processing or value addition. And the last one is it is not sufficient only you have to produce, you have to process. Then you have to have a better market accessibility to that, so that you can better sell your produce to get a higher price. These are three requirements, and to obtain these three requirements, we have to form a group or organization.